report section has all your reporting. Some of the ones that may be used for day-to-day operations may include your unit's availability, your scheduled move-outs. Just keep in mind that this is just a scheduling tool that's designed to be working in conjunction with your leads list. The software won't move people out when they're scheduled to move out. You'll notice that tenants don't actually do what they say they're going to do. So the software will not move them out. Plus, it needs to be verified that the unit is indeed clean and vacant. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll notice an email activity report. This will be a summary of what emails were sent, basically what templates were sent, who they went to, if they were successfully delivered to that tenant, and if the tenant actually opened them. Your rent roll. There's an auto payment list down here. It'll tell you which credits or which tenants have credit cards on file, which ones are enrolled in auto pay. Your past due, balance due, and a daily payment report. So the daily payment report defaults for daily, as you can see up here, but it can be configured for whatever you want. So if you want to do a monthly report and all the payments you've received between the for this month so far, you can do it for literally anything. So you can do year to date, hit get report, and you'll receive a summary of all the payments that you've received between those date ranges. There isn't a ton of filtering that you can do within 6Storage, but most of our reporting can be exported to Excel if you need to do further filtering.